Hello friends, shortening the cardan shaft. Repair and modernization of the cars often leads to the need to reduce the length of the cardan. Everyone can face this. Here are some examples. Reduce the length of the shaft after installing another gearbox on the car. A striking example is the replacement of a 4-speed manual transmission with 5-speed one in order to increase dynamic and reduce consumption. This is true for many car models. When gearboxes from a new generation car are installed on an older generation, if the car is rare and you cannot buy original cardan for it, in this case it's advisable to buy a longer cardan shaft and shorten it. After installing another transfer case and other transmission element on the car. Vehicle homemade. It's not possible to find a cardan of the required length. A donor is taken and shortened.